HVAC Air Duct Cleaning is a top-notch HVAC contractor in Paoli, Pennsylvania, providing a wide array of services to guarantee your utmost indoor comfort. Our team of skilled HVAC contractors is committed to delivering top-notch heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services, which involve installation, repair, and maintenance. We are dedicated to ensuring that our customers are completely satisfied and receive exceptional service. Contact us today for all your HVAC needs. Are you looking for an HVAC contractor expert near me? You can stop looking. You found HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Do HVAC systems use a large amount of energy? Yes, HVAC systems may use a lot of energy, especially during severe temperatures when heating or cooling demand is high. Regular maintenance, efficient equipment, and correct use may assist to reduce energy consumption. Why is frequent maintenance of HVAC systems necessary? Regular maintenance ensures that your HVAC system runs smoothly, lasts longer, saves money on energy, and produces high-quality indoor air. It also helps to avoid expensive breakdowns and repairs. What is your service area for the Paoli, Pennsylvania office? Our expert contractors have assisted clients in the surrounding areas of Paoli, Berwyn, Devon, Tredyffrin, Vanguard, Williams Corner, Phoenixville, Montclair, Chesterbrook, Shan Tract, Valley Forge Woods, Malvern, Wayne, Willistown, and Upper Mainland, Pennsylvania. Where is your Paoli, Pennsylvania HVAC contractor service office located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road, number 307, Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Paoli.